Imagine a rope catches fire from one end. The other side thinks that it is safe until the fire reaches that side and proves that destruction knows no boundaries. Welcome to our channel, Reclaiming Planet Earth. Today we are going to share some information about the horrifying situation in Greece. The start of August was a bit warmer for Greeks because of heat coming from Turkey. But it didn't take long for warm to turn into hot. More than 100 places caught fire in Greece. The main places were Attica, Evia, Peloponnese, Athens, Olympia, birthplace of the Olympic Games, and Messenia. Now coming to the damage done by this fire in Greece. More than 90,000 hectares have been burnt to ashes because of this fire, causing 3 humans to perish and 20 non-fatal injuries. The temperature rose to 47 degrees Celsius. The worst heat wave in the history of Greece. Precious pine forests of Greece turned into ashes, and injuries to the Mother Earth and Mother Nature are beyond calculable. Though the PM of Greece, Kyriakos Mitsotakis, has blamed climate change for these fires, law enforcement agencies have arrested 5 people for a possible arson attack. Smoke turned the sky orange, and ash turned the land darker. And fire turned our hearts into deep grief. Hope everything comes under control ASAP. Subscribe to Reclaiming Planet Earth and pray for Greece. God help the Greek and Greece.